Hey guys, it's Ryan Higgins here at Comics Conspiracy. It is Wednesday, September 12th, 2018. We got some new releases for you this week. We were doing these videos for a while on Facebook. I'm going to kind of kick these over to YouTube as well. I think this is the first time we've done a video here at the new location, so hope you guys enjoy the new store. We've been here for a little over a year. We've got some new books here, a lot of new releases, got some Marvel trades. Got our Marvel section. We got some staff picks on the wall here. Obviously, Fantastic Four #2. It's a big one for this week. Dan Slott, Sarah Pichelli. Return of comics' first family. We got, of course, the absolute gorgeous, absolute Killing Joke here. I love these big hardcovers. Don't mind the glare. Got some good Batman titles here. Obviously, Catwoman with that Artgerm cover, that variant for #3. Great cover. Amazing book. Also, can't forget about the Adam Hughes variant cover there on Superman #3. Love that cover. Some good independent books out this week, too, including Cemetery Beach, new book by Warren Ellis and Jason Howard. Got a lot of good indie stuff down here. Some kids' books down at the very corner. And, of course, we got some more graphic novels up here, some new releases. Oblivion Song Volume 1, that's Robert Kirkman's new title, creator of Walking Dead. I hope you guys, if you're looking for any of these titles, feel free to give us a call or email or hit us up on Comic Hub. Make sure you're pre-ordering this stuff. It always helps when we get our orders in time. Every Monday we do our FOC list, which is the final time you have to 100% confirm your orders. So definitely make sure you check out FOC on Mondays on our website. There's a little blog page. You can go on there. And yeah, we're going to throw this up on the on YouTube and Facebook. If you're over at youtube.com/comicsconspiracy or facebook.com/comicsconspiracy, you can like us on that. We post a bunch of stuff, news and headlines. And when we're getting new books announced, we always try to post some stuff on there. So obviously our podcast is always up at youtube.com/comicsconspiracy as well as iTunes. So make sure you subscribe to that stuff. Check it out. All right. I'll try to do more of these on a regular basis. I hope you guys have a good Wednesday.